Marion Bretagne. I'm a multidisciplinary designer, illustrator, and artist. I have worked with clients such as La Fervence, Clem, or Jean Marais on a variety of projects, especially in editorial design, packaging, and branding. We are surrounded by packagings in our everyday life. It protects everything from a light bulb to your favorite chocolate. It also helps communicate about the brand and enhance our experience with the product. To design packaging is to bring more functionality, beauty, and fun to our visual environment. Imagine a supermarket where almost every product is like a piece of art that you can take home with you. The design process requires a lot of different skills because you have to think in terms of shape, texture, layout, but also colors. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to design a creative packaging from the initial brief to the end product. For the final project, you will produce a finished packaging design for a brand. My example brief will be for chocolate bars that are inspired by literary masterpieces, but you can choose the brief that you want. First of all, we will look at what packaging design is and how to analyze a client's brief. I will show you how to find inspiration, define an idea, and construct a strong concept. After that, we will visualize the project using a mood board and make our packaging prototype. This will help us choose the materials that we're going to use. I will then guide you through the process of designing your packaging, starting with the logo and the typography. Painting by hand, I will show you how to make decisions in terms of colors, shape, and patterns. We will digitalize our illustrations and design the projects on Adobe Illustrator. I will refine our pieces until I have a final artwork that's ready to print. And finally, I will cut, fold, and assemble our packaging. By the end of this course, you will know how to design a product packaging that creates a unique consumer experience. You will use paper or cardboard, a pencil, scissors or a cutter, as well as a roller and ideally a bond folder. And it is important to have a good knowledge of Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Follow me and give your own style to any packaging.